Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We're gonna do a sound check real quick. Yo, put a one in the chat if you can hear the sound of my voice. Put a one in the chat if you can hear the sound of my voice. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Also, today's gonna be really, really interesting. You know what I'm saying? I love the way the stock market is looking. I love the way even the markup last week. I don't know if you guys were here last week, but the markup last week, was really, really dope as well. Just bringing back Forex on Sundays have definitely been a vibe, especially for me. I wasn't doing it for a minute, to be honest. I got bored doing Forex on Sundays. You know what I'm saying? Now, like, I'm working for a bigger purpose. Like, I got a bunch of shit moving in my life. And I just like where things are going. I also got a motherfucking Forex book about to drop, 214 pages of Forex gold. Now, the trolls in the comment was like, oh, he just needs something to make money off of. Yeah, but my game, my knowledge, I was able to translate what I know into 200 something pages. Basically, I was able to write a dissertation on Forex. I think that's amazing for anybody who's educated in the subject to be able to translate it in 200 something pages. You get what I'm saying? You got to know your shit at the end of the day. But yeah, that book is about to drop soon. So I will have a physical copy. I'll be showing you guys a physical copy in like just a week. I'm really, really excited about that. So if you like Forex, you're looking for a way to, scale your life and your vibes up, you want to tap in with Tyler fucking Moore. These other people I don't really know. Like I said, I don't really know how they making their bread, how they or if they're even about, what they say this is. But this is what it is. So how we start off, we're gonna start off with the music, and then we're gonna go ahead and slide over to the chart. So if you haven't already, I'm turning on the music, and then we're gonna go ahead check out US 30. Well, we'll start from DXY and then work our way down. Stock market Friday was just looking crazy. I don't know if you guys traded Friday or not, but yo, Friday was crazy. You feel me? Jerome Powell has spoke midday. It wasn't midday, it was like 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. So super, super early in the morning. Man, look, hey, I sent out the signal, my signal group, right? It was like a quick little US 30 play. It was like 33,020 to like 33,200 or some shit like that, or 33,100 to like 30. It was like a quick little 100, 200 point play, right? Nigga, within like 3 minutes, boom, the play activated, took profit. So I hit the group. I'm like, oh shit, like, nigga, we the RDTP. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I told everybody to put their stops and shit, and I was like, cool, nigga, if y'all want to keep, because Nasdaq hasn't got to the point we're looking at. I thought Nasdaq was gonna do like 13,200 or some shit like that. So the shit is at 13,1. So I'm telling people, hey, look, we waiting at Nasdaq right now. Y'all can trail and stop, or you can, you could take partials. So people sitting back, some people were taking partials, some people were trailing, stopping. Yo, nigga, after Jerome Powell got finished speaking about the Fed and how they were basically going to stand on their inflation, they were like, hey, we're not going to waver, and whatever else he said. I didn't listen to the speech in its entirety. Stock market crashes. Dow Jones loses like 1,200, 1,300 points. NASDAQ loses like 600 something points. Y'all trading my trading partner, right? So US 30 was at like 32, 400, 32, 500. So I tell my trading partner, I'm like, yo, this shit gonna hit 32,000. Like, I'm not thinking, nigga, it's gonna hit 32,000 that day. You get what I'm saying? I'm not thinking it's gonna hit 32,000 that day. I'm gonna pull it up for you in a second. Right? So the shit just so 30 just dropping all during the day. I'm like, yo, like I didn't get none of the sell. So I'm not gonna be one of them people who are gonna be like, oh yeah, I caught the sell. Yo, some people did. I was able to get a cool little 120 points on the way up on Nasdaq, and then 120 points on US 30, and that was it. You know what I'm saying? I kind of sitting on my hands just watching the market fall after that. And I think it was pretty amazing. What I was gonna say though was this. Sometimes, like, yo, you can hit your goal, right? Because I was trying to go dummy. on Friday. I ain't gonna cap, because I hit my goal so fast. I'm like, shit, like I never really even got a chance to trade because the market moves so fast. So look, patience is virtue. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy that I didn't get back in. I thought we was gonna, get a quick flash crash up. I mean, well, flash, a quick push all the way to the top side Friday, but it just didn't happen. And so it was cool that I sat in my hands, I made my bread, and I did get back in the game. I felt like that was dope, But yeah, let me know how you guys' Friday went. Let me know how y'all Friday went. We're gonna start analyzing stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead and make this one screen, and we'll get back to US 30. US 30, we'll speak about that in a second. I'm gonna let that Forex Outlaws play. I'm gonna let Forex Outlaws play in the background for like a minute. If you haven't already, like I said, spark your blunts. We're gonna load up the charts and let's get it cracking. It's crazy every time I hear one of these beats. Crazy. You know, that shit turn me into a different beast, a different animal. You know what I'm saying? My lifestyle crazy, money on lazy. If it's moving fast, then we're never checking paces. Chess strategies, playing gambits, replacing. Don't mind the bases, running through the cages. If I switch lanes, just remind me tie the laces. Chuck Taylor's on while I get my hair braided. I used to rock Gucci, and if I need to, Stasis. Playing with the wrong poker face to get your face in. Don't be mistaken, we gon' raise the stakes. Take your bitch from your maker slut and then give her facials. She'll never tell you cause she enjoy all the paces. I don't cash out on hoes, I'm too spacious. Make her pay a fee for the deep, I'm too player. You don't understand the roof of a trailblazer. Running to a boss is Forex, a bold statement. And when we check the statements, you gon' have to air your whole house with the statement. Big money attitude, box of blue faces. How you pick your nose off the ground if it's crazy. Keep a biscuit hot on your neck in case it changes. Little niggas. For sure. So that was Forex Outlaws. You know, we go get back to the charts. But check this out. So US 30, right? US 30 is still in this like bearish trend. If you don't know the time frame that I'm marking up on, this time frame is the daily. I'm gonna delete everything on my screen, remark it up. You know, I guess that's the least I could do is remark up the remark up the charts for you. But the whole goal of Forex and trading in general is to trade with the trend and is to stay in direction with the market. All right. So as you can see, what's really been cool about, you know, the game so far is that we've had some really good SNR. You feel me? Some really good SNR. I don't know who uses, you know, support and resistance. For me, I've been using it for almost 10 years and I'm not going to stop. You know, there are going to be people who come and should give you different concepts, ideas, whatever. Hey, look, I personally don't care. I trade the same way that I've been trading, and I don't ever think I'm going to stop doing what's been working for me. Like what's been working for me, you know, I took all the knowledge that I had and put it in one book, and then I'm working on my second book right now, which is called 5 to 1,000. Now, what's dope is, you know, the book isn't just a book and it isn't just a concept. Okay. There's a video on it. It's actually been done. There's a song called 5 to 1,000. It started off. It's like, let me show you how to. It was like, how does it start? It's like, let me show you how to turn 5 to 1,000. First, you need a broker that requires low deposits or some shit like that. Get your game up and learn how to work the profit. You only need to be right a few times, man. You know the process. Then you type in trade gang and you tap the fuck in, get the weekly analysis and tell all your friends, you know your phone gonna be hot from all the money making plots. Look, the Discord is free, hey, but the show is not. Use the Floyd strategy to make the market hot. Like, so the shit was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? The shit was pretty dope. But that 5 to 1,000, like I said, I didn't just make the music. Nigga, it's gonna be a book on that too. So you'll be able to go through 5 to 1,000, right? And be able to really get it cracking. Oh, they wasn't smacking the like button. Yeah, y'all smack that like button. Y'all smack that like button. But we back to the SNR, right? We're back to the SNR. Super simple, man. And I just, like I said, I feel like the game is gonna do exactly what it's been doing. US 30, maybe to like 31.5, especially with, you know, how the dollar's been moving. I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything we see here. All right, and just give you a fresh little markup. So here is the daily markup. You know, when I get to the charts, when you get there, your charts probably look like this. You probably have them extra close and jumbled. So you're like, oh, I can't see anything. So with me, right, I like to make shit simple for myself. I like to be able to read it. I've always just tried to make the market go straight to SNR, right? And what I mean by support resistance is, you know, I like using trend lines. For some people, maybe they don't, maybe they do. For me, I just love using the trend lines. When I do mark up my trend lines, I've never changed the way I've done my Sunday markup. If you have watched previous ones, you see I, you know, basically do the same thing every single Sunday, which means I'm not changing my strategy for nobody. You get what I'm saying? At the end of the day. All right. So Index Queen said, will you have a workbook that will go along with the book? So I like that question. So I have been procrastinating. You know, I have been saying that you know, I would be doing the workbook and I was supposed to start on it. Like I guess I started on it with design, but I haven't did like the actual, you know, put the meat inside the taco yet. So no, that's an incomplete meal for right now. But that's what's coming. Yeah, it will be a workbook that's going to come with it. You guys that have the workbook and like a little notebook / scheduler type of thing where you can, you know, take notes and things like that. So that is definitely, yeah. shit, what would be dope is have the workbook kind of go along with the book. I think that'd be dope as well. But simple SNR. So simple SNR, if you guys don't know what support and resistance is, there's a video on my page called, understanding Japanese candlesticks. So all I'm doing basically is putting the stock market in a channel to where I can read it. Like I'm marking it up so where I can read it and then take a position. So right now, as of Friday, I already know just from, the a technical analysis standpoint, right? I'm already looking at what's going on here. We got price smacking a resistance point. Also got some liquidity right here. So, these zones match. I'm like, hey, price went up there, snatched it 34,000, and now it's pulling back. You can't act like you don't see the engulfing candle. I don't know, if you read candlesticks or not, like the actual candlesticks. But look, man, at the end of the day, I always like to read the candles. If it's a big ass engulfing, you're like, well, what did it engulf? So this one candle right here ate this entire structure. So all these small ones, it ate all these candles. So with that saying is, hey, potentially we could continue in that direction. We could continue in the direction. Also, there's a slight head and shoulders as well. If you kind of like scroll out a little bit, like here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder. So boom, we got a head and shoulders as well coming off of a resistance point. And I do see the market continually to, push down to the downside. On Sunday, like a Sunday, Monday open, I do expect us to get like a slight pullback. So we may go to like 32.4, 32.5, just because that's, it's kind of how the market works. It's like if a wave crash, it has to pull back. So I'm not expecting it to just boom, thunder all the way through. Do I feel like it is going to sell off? I do feel like the sell-off is going to come, and it's going to continue to go until we get to our next level, right? But as of like right now, as of what we're looking at, I feel like the first thing that has to happen is boom, we get that pullback, and then we're going to continue dropping to go ahead and like Index Queen said, continue, or confirmation to continue to the downside. All right. So that's US 30. I feel like US 30 is going to continue, to the downside. Like 31.5 price right now is 32,168. So you could probably enter around the 32,000 area and then, go down about 31.5. That's like 500 points. Shit, and get it cracking like that. But all in all, it should be an interesting week. It should be an interesting week. We got the bears that came through on Friday and just cleared shit. So I just don't feel like the sell-off is done. You feel me? Especially after how like investors reacted. Basically, the market was rising. It was trending, right? Like trending back up, trying to get cracking. Jerome Powell came out, and what happened was the entire marketplace said, "Oh man, get your old ass boy, get your niggas start roasting this shit. You feel me? Get your old ass back on, man." So that's basically what happened Friday. So let's move on. Now we're going to Nasdaq. Nasdaq kind of got the same thing. Don't mind what I have here. I was marking some shit up. I don't know if it was yesterday or whatever day. Let's clear this out. Doing like zones and seasons. I was on some whole other shit. I'd be smoking and just going in sometime. All right, so same thing. We're just gonna clear that out. You feel me? You said you hanging around for the good energy? Hell yeah. To make it even better energy, what I'm gonna need y'all to do is smack that like button. Like I can't see the likes. I can only see the comments over here. I'm on a StreamYard right now. Also, if you guys need a broker, right? If you guys need a broker, make sure you go fuck with Hanko Trade. Definitely, they always come through with the withdrawals, and they really always on point. That's why I really like that broker. Yeah, shit, I'm gonna be using them for a minute. So it's really up to y'all, who you use, but they got very, very low spreads, low deposits for people who are just trying to get started and stuff. I think it's a really cool platform because like shit, let's say you have like a super small account, like you're new to the game, you had a super small account, like you can trade US 30 with $10 in your account. You could trade US 30 with 20 in your account. So, like that's why I like it for, for people who are just trying to get in the game and stuff like that. And then eventually, like you're going to have to learn the scale, but I think that the broker is going to allow you to have the chance to learn to scale your shit up. So that's why I fuck with them. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. But yeah, we on NASPAC. You feel me? Same type of vibe with NASPAC, the head and shoulders is there. All right. It's not as relevant, but it's there. Can't act like it's not. Feel me? The last candlestick was the engulfing. If you don't know what a bearish engulfing candlestick is, what you need to do, go to Baby Pips. I would always suggest you go back to a platform like that. Go to Baby Pips. Look up bearish engulfing candle and see what that looks like. You feel me? Also, I have a video on my page called Understanding Japanese Candlesticks, and you get it cracking like that too. So since I have basically explained what's going on, how markup and things like that, I kind of wanted to give, new people here a general gist of how I get down. Now we're going to move a little bit faster as we, breeze through the pairs. All right. So NASDAQ, I see that continuing down to about the 12,000 area. We already pretty much broke this structure. We're going to get that pullback probably to about 12.6, 12.7. Shit, to be honest, the shit could just and take back off. It's the stock market. You know what I mean? But I feel like, we're going to remain a little bit bearish and still kind of simmer in and settle in on the news of what Jerome Powell had just spoke about, this Friday. All right. So probably enter around like 12,500 area if you can, and then exit around the 12,000 area. I don't know if we're gonna go back to 11,000. That's really low, but I mean, what's really low? It's nothing to go clear this, 11.8, 11.7 on your ass real quick, and head back to the top side to finish off the year. Okay. Moving on, Standard & Poor's, SPX. Also in the chat. Let me know what your favorite thing to trade is, what your favorite instrument to trade is. It could be NAS, it could be gold. You let me know. He said, keep it as simple. Gotta keep it simple. Gotta keep it simple. My markups never really change. You feel me? Like what you see is just what it is. This little shit right here, this is all like intraday shit. So I'll go in on my 5 minute and stuff if, move stuff like that. But ultimately, my markers don't change. All right. They just stay there. I don't even change the trend lines. Like I'm trading within the trend. So why would I change or remove my trend lines and stuff like that? All right. So we got some people who say SPX. You like NAS and gold. I think gold is amazing. Gold is amazing. That NAS. Yeah. Gold, GU, Euro USD. Okay. I like that. Euro USD, AU and gold. Okay. Gold. Hey, GBP, New Zealand. Oh, bro, like trading them exotics. Say less. They say them black men be on them exotics. They say them black men be on them exotics. You said I didn't hit some solid US 32. Bro, put oil in all caps. I fucking love oil, man. Oil is that's my baby. You know what I'm saying? I love me some oil. That's where it's at. And don't get me wrong, I fuck with US 30 heavy too, but like my trading partner, she more US 30 than me. Like she's super US. I'm like, okay, nigga, whatever. Me, I'm more of an all-around type of nigga. Like I'm trading whatever I see fit. You get what I'm saying? Like if it's opportunity, I'm taking it. My trading partner, they much different. Like, you know what I'm saying? They got a solid little, you feel me? At that point. So hell yeah. Let's see. Indexes, period. I'm with that. You said, why do I have to look at? Do you always have to look at Forex Factory or 80 News? To be honest, sometimes I be forgetting motherfucking Forex Factory or my FX book even exist. That's the truth. You know what I'm saying? And you're like, well, how would you forget? I'm just not paying attention to news all the time. Like I don't wake up and scan the news. What I'll scan is something like this, right? So I'll scan Finviz. It's not necessarily the news, you feel me? But yeah, this was Finviz on Friday. Shit, crazy, you feel me? But this is what I scan. So I would look, I'd be like, okay, I get a general gist of what's going on, and then I'm back to my chart since I trade indexes and oil and gold mostly. You feel me? But let's get it. So SPX, I feel like SPX gonna keep pushing. We might even get to the 394 area. That's like another 100 points. I mean, it's already a big ass engulfing. Let's see where we go. Like I said, I always expect a pullback, but we could be surprised Sunday. The shit could just gap down and just keep dropping. Like, you get what I'm saying? So what's there to say that it won't just continue doing what it's already doing? I always expect, after the weekend or the market closes up, like there's two things that can happen, right? So the market pulls back, comes and retests like 4117-ish around here, goes in consolidation, sets up for a sell, gets back busy, boom, drops down again. Or B, it just gaps down, right? And just continues dropping. Boom, gaps down and just keeps dropping on your ass. So I'm expecting two things to go on, and we get it cracking like that. GBP, JPY, I fuck with that too. Yep. He said UK 100 about to drop. Yeah, shit, the indexes period, man. The indexes period. So, that's definitely, if you can see it, you can see it. Well, we finished with those right now. So we're gonna slide to GBP. We could slide to euro. We'll slide to oil, you know, and things like that. I like this one. He said, "Why smoke and do forex? Could you not just do the commenting without that poison in my hands?" Nah. And what I actually would love to argue you and argue a point that marijuana is not poison, you know. It's actually been what used to heal all types of things. You get what I'm saying? So this isn't just regular smoke. I guess you could, you know, rebut back that I am, you know, engaging smoking weed out of a backwood, but that's a personal preference. You know what I'm saying? I like backwoods. I don't really like smoking out of pipes and stuff. But to call it poison, you know, I have so many rebuttals against that. You just can't call weed poison. Like they shit, man, they got the weed police that to get on your ass for calling it that, man. It's too funny, you know. He said, I've been looking at oil too lately. Hey, run it up, run it up, run it up. Let's get it. He said, do indexes usually mirror like this? Indexes, they usually all do. All right. Most of them, most of the time, they all, you know, look the same and things like that. That's why I like trading them, you know, in cohesion of, I probably used that word wrong, but I like trading them at the same time, you know, in secrecy with themselves. But sometimes Nasdaq and US 30 go against each other. Like NASA be fucking dropping 100 points, but US 30 is up 72 points. And the next thing you know, Nas finally catch back up and go up. You like, what the hell? Like, man, US 30 take it off, but Nasdaq not moving right now. Like, you get what I'm saying? So sometimes you just have to look for the inconsistencies, but usually what you're gonna get is what you see right here. All right. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna go to rock with GU. GU look like it's about to bust out the bottom. Bust out the bottom of that. As long as the dollar, if the dollar look like it's gonna push, then I could see GU breaking this shit. So yeah, that look, if the dollar look like it's gonna push like it looks like it wants to, yeah, the dollar look like it's gonna push. Usually this is a retest pattern right here. You feel me? Nice little shooting star. It's about to take off. Yeah, if we get some more USD strength, that I could see GU going into the floor. For sure, for sure. And it's already, I mean, if we traded with the trend, it's already traded to the downside. You feel me? So let's just see. It could hold it though. That's the thing. It could hold if you look at the area. It's only been 118 to 117, so like 100 points up and down in this little area. So this is really like a cool little range to say the least. You know what I'm saying? Like a cool little range. I don't know if you need me to make a little bigger so you can see, but it's a cool little range, little 100-point range or 100 pip range. My bad. I'm so used to, you know, the index talk that, you know, it is what it is. But you can even come here on the daily, set up a little SNR, you know, right here between these two zones and just run that shit back. Because that's really a good little zone for you right there. That's a cool little 100 pipper up and down. I'm thinking, you know, if the dollar finally get on and break out, then yeah, GU going to continue pushing to the downside. And we may end up at like 116. So I'm expecting the dollar to continue strong, especially, you know, from what Powell was talking about on Friday. Like I said, I didn't catch the whole speech because I wasn't necessarily listening. I was trading. I was reacting to what was going on in the market. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the phone with my trading partner, getting that shit in and shit. And then, you know what I'm saying? Man, I'm looking at my fucking 30. Boom. So we going back and forth for shit. It was a cool little Friday. You know what I'm saying? It was a cool little Friday. But yeah, let's get it. You said where do I think crypto is going? So look, man, I feel like crypto is here to stay. You know, it's this feature they got now. Well, I guess it's not new, but it's my favorite feature, like the tap to pay option. You know, it's the best option. You know what I'm saying? You walk in the store, boom, tap to pay, you just put your card on top of the shit. You don't even have to swipe, you just boom, you don't have to swipe it or put it in. You just tap it, keep it moving, approve, bam, you good. So, you know, the future of crypto, right? What's really, really dope about that, I'm gonna move on to Euro USD as well. You know, move on to Euro USD as well. It's a nice little pin bar too. We're gonna talk about that. But you know, look, with crypto, I feel like eventually we're gonna have these cards, and whatever's on the card, like, you know, that's kind of what gets swiped. So, you know, you may have a main currency. Your main currency could be like Bitcoin or Doge or whatever your main currency is, right? So whenever you run out of that, then it'll take some of your Doge or take some or whatever it is to take. But I feel like, you know, you go in the store, you just boom, it's gonna swipe in. That's just what it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take the Bitcoin art. It's gonna ask you, hey, would you like to buy this in USD? Would you like to buy this in Litecoin? Would you buy this in Bitcoin? Like, nah, you know, getting taken in Bitcoin, goddamn it. You know what I mean? But crypto, that's where I feel like it's going. Now I'm speaking, you know, holistically. I'm speaking as in I guess, a standard movement of where crypto is going in general. But as with the market right now, with the dollar, I feel like crypto, Bitcoin could get back to about, 17,000s. It's not far. It's at 19,000 right now. So that's like 2,000 away. Sit about 17, sit around 17,000, kind of hover around the area, and then get back up to 30, 40, where it wants to go, where everybody feels like, the next boom is. The next boom is going to be like 100,000. The highest was like 68 or some shit like that. But I can see the next boom being like 100,000 for sure, for sure. So anything low tier right now, I really feel like it's good, good, like a good little spot to get in. I do feel like it's gonna dip a little lower though. So Euro USD, we are getting this little pullback right here. I want you to notice this pin bar and where it's at. So you could say that this zone to my left is like a little retest zone right here. It was already highlighted. You feel me? I guess from last Sunday. Okay, so it was highlighted from last Sunday, and it did break. I think last Sunday was here, broke underneath. All right, came back, retested the same zone. There's a pin bar. Usually with pin bars, you got to know the directions. So if it's like this, right, then that means the price shot up and then came down, and then boom, that's where you got the doji from. So that's how that happened, right? So if the pin bar is down like this, basically what happens is the price shot up, right? Got rejected, boom. And this was the direction that was going to the downside. It got rejected. So it was like, imagine like basketball, right? My nigga Shaq Diesel playing center. Allen Iverson coming down the lane, crossover. He think he about to, what I'm saying, go to the hoop and just lay it in. You know what I'm saying? Some smooth, like, so AI go up, he try to lay it in. Shaq Diesel, nigga, look that nigga in the eye. Bop! Smack that shit, whack it, ball fly out the air, fly out AI hands, right into the floorboards of the basketball court. That's basically what happened right here. You know what I'm saying? That was the play that went on. So we were to look at this in an analytical or metaphorical way, like basketball. That's the play that happened. That's the highlight that happened. That's what's going on with this Euro USD. So where the pin bar is sitting and the direction is sitting. If you ever see two pin bars sitting like this at the top, usually the candlestick that's going to follow next is going to be, boom, a red one to the downside. They're not letting me color it in, but you get the drift. You feel me? Or get the gist. So also, it's Euro USD. So we're going to trade this, it's with the dollar as well. If we get power or strength in the dollar, then you could just trade this shit. You know what I'm saying? Vice versa. Just like GU, just like AU. So, can you mark up anything you want me to mark up right now? I can tell you what it is. UC, basically, if we go to UC, if this dollar remains strong, then UC dollar CAD gonna continue going up. I don't really trade UJ because it was always hard because it's like two main soldiers nigga fighting. So I be staying away from UJ. I be trading the easy ones. You know what I'm saying? GU, UC, EU, stuff like that. If I want to go fuck with currencies, but predominantly I'm an index and oil guy. If I want to, sometimes I go fuck with gold as well. Let's get it. You said the jacket fresh. Let's get it. Hell yeah. You peep my vision. Shit, man. Nah, the vision really bigger though. Where y'all want to be. Look, where y'all want to be. Let me tell you, where y'all want to be is y'all want to be at this book release. I'm gonna load the charts up in a second. I want y'all to spark with me real quick, but I want y'all to be at this book release. I got a lot of dope things planned for you. I'm big on aesthetics. I'm an aesthetics guy. I'm big on special effects. You know what I'm saying? And it's Halloween. That's all I gotta say. Like, if you looked at most of the things I do, they're extremely creative. I put a lot of attention to detail because I give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? So just know that the attention to detail in this event, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. So it's not just gonna be any event. It's gonna be like, I guess it's gonna be like album release, a book release. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we going up. October, baby, October. So like I said, next week I should have the hardcover. It's in the mail right now. So I should have the hardcover of the Trader Die book. I will be flexing this motherfucker all on the yo, boom, got the book, was really good. Because what can you say? Like, I wrote a book on Forex, my nigga. Like, a book though, you get what I'm saying? It's not a course, not a video course where I regurgitated some info. Like, it's some well thought out shit, you get what I'm saying? And after I wrote the first one, like, nigga, I don't know, like 5 to 1,000 just start coming naturally, you feel me? So that's how I started doing it off into the other ones. So I got a bunch of Forex books in me, you know what I'm saying? I got a bunch of Forex books in me, and yeah, I just can't wait for you guys to go buy them all, get this game really soaking in knowledge, and I want to be one of the people that are added to your library. Straight up. Let's get it. You know, straight up. All right. So now we are going to oil. This was fun to trade. I thought that bitch was gonna pop all the way to fucking 97. It didn't hit 97 until a bunch of days later, but I had drew this up. I think it was like that previous Sunday. Initially, it dropped down a little bit, but it didn't do no crazy pull down. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase what I got. You feel me? But those are harmonics. If you don't know how to trade them, I don't know. You know, I definitely would say, you feel me? Um, Go check out one of my books, nigga. When I drop them on, you know, how they was able to exploit the harmonics, and I can see it mentally without even drawing it on there. You know, I really think it helps with my S&R game as well. You feel me? Just, you know, to help me know where I'm at and shit. So yeah. Now if the dollar push up, if UCAP push up, then oil could continue pushing down. You feel me? We still got some games to go. So two things that could happen with oil. It could break past 101, 102. It break past 102. It's coming to 107 for sure, for sure. That's if it break past. I feel like oil right now, uh, I don't see sales for it. The sales were down at 92. The reason it was so low is because that's just, you know, that's just what is going on. This week, could oil sell? I'm not really sure. You feel me? But I do know that I'll be trading with the trend. Because usually how it used to go is like when UC went up, right? Oil will push down. But like, nigga, the way the market's been moving, I've been having to just trade what I see. And that's what it's been. What's dope on oil is I do see this little harmonic. So, like I said, if it continues, fuck it, to continue, get back to 106, 107. Just if it, you know, if it's to keep pushing up. The price of oil, when it usually goes up, it goes up by the dollar. So the bitch goes up like one, you know, let's say it's at 10, right now it's at 100.70 on Trading View. This is UK oil, right? So, you know, it's gonna move by the dollar. So when it pushes again, it's gonna either boom, pull back to 99.98. You feel me, to start the week, or it'll continue pushing, you know, smack 101. And then it's, you know, once it hits this 101, it's gonna go do a solid 102, a solid 103. So that's really, you know, that's really what it is with the oil. You said, can I reveal the titles of my books? 5 to 1,000, that's one. Trade or Die, that's another. I'm not gonna release all the other ones, but like I said, I'm already working on 5 to 1,000 right now. That's the dopest part. Trade or Die is done. And I'll be showing you a physical copy of the shit in a week or less. You feel me? So I'm just, like I said, I'm happy that shit, I was pushing myself like, man, shit, man, I've been sitting on this book for the longest, but you know, I was just been pushing myself, you know. You said all that predicting should get you clapped out. Yeah, I'm not predicting. I'm not you. I sit back and wait. You know what I'm saying? So I really be sitting back. I'm a really patient trader. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, go this way or that way. That's why with oil, I'm like, hey, you know, I could see it continue pushing to 107, but I'm one of those trade what I see type of people. I don't really care what the market gonna do for the day, to be honest. Like I like doing a markup because we get a general gist of market direction. But the truth is, it's like basketball, you know, anything can happen. You feel me? So the best players really just adjust to the game, you know, and then, you know, when one team gets momentum, nigga, hey, if you got the momentum, you need to exploit that, especially when you got the juice, exploit that shit. You know what I'm saying? Go hard as you can and that momentum, and don't let it change. If the other team go get the momentum, well, now you're going to be fucking around and taking the L. You know what I'm saying? If you can't get that momentum back, because I've seen momentum change at halftime. Let's really talk about it though. You feel me? I've seen momentum change at halftime. Boom, one team is up, halftime come, boom, they fighting in the fourth now. You get what I'm saying? So it can get crazy. All right. He said, what makes an easy pair for you to trade? Um, I guess how the shit moves. Like US 30 is easy, Nasdaq is fluid and easy. SP, like all the indexes are easy. They follow the stock market. Like it is the stock market. You get what I mean? GU is easy to me. It's literally the inverse of DXY. So I mean, I guess it's how you look at it. You feel me? It's definitely how you look at it. Make sure y'all smack the like button too. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all smack the like button too. I'm gonna start having more music banging during the sessions, so we can get cracking. I want to definitely have it to where it's not just, you know, sitting back and it's like boring. I want us to be lit. I want us to be active. You know what I mean? So in the chat right now, let me know where you guys are from in the chat. Let me know where you're from. If you haven't smacked the like button, go ahead and smack that for me. You feel me? If you haven't done that already. All right. I got this new track. We got to push the surround sound up on that bitch. But in the car, that shit sound amazing. You feel me? In the car, that shit sound amazing. But I will do want to take this time to tell y'all to just, you know what I'm saying, clap for yourself. Sometimes, like, you know, life gonna be throwing you curveballs and shit. Sometimes you're gonna feel like, oh, it's not for me. Look, this Forex shit is all mental. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's why I've really started writing the books, because people are asking, like, yo, you know, how do you, your mind, your mind, your mind. The only thing I could really let you in my mind and do is by, you know, putting it down and really letting you in my mind. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I'm trying to do, get y'all to the next level. You feel me? So this next song is called I'm Too Fuego. You're gonna hear, like, we took sounds from like it's like an East Coast type bounce, but with a West Coast type vibe. It's really, you know, like, I'm gonna start, you know, I may even start coming, like, the show's gonna be crazy when this shit come on, for sure, for sure. Like, nigga, I can already smell the fireworks, nigga. I already smell the fireworks. I get that shit cracking like a mixtape. Hey, look, mixtape vibes, can't think straight, bitch. Bangers on the line, like that, man. That shit be smacking. You feel me? And then, like, I had to rap it slow because the type of energy, like, yeah, just the way I'm gonna do the whole performance is gonna be crazy. Also, look, mind, body, and soul. So I'll tell y'all too, because y'all know I was on my fitness shit like crazy. You feel me? Like, I fell off of doing the fitness shit with the gym, going like consistently to the gym. But like, nigga, starting what, Monday, I'm back on. I reset my goals and shit. You know what I'm saying? But that's the thing. Like, y'all want to tell people when you be like, oh no, I fell off the shit. Like, nigga, I stopped doing the gym shit because I started doing other shit. What else did I start doing? Nigga, I picked up a bunch of new projects. You feel me? Like I said, more books, more merch ideas, more merch designs, just a bunch of shit. And then a part of it is a nigga just got lazy. Like, I'm getting bread, so it's like, you know, you fuck around and get lazy, man. You know what I'm saying? But nah, like, that's what I'm on right now. So I'm on my fitness shit. I'm on my martial arts shit. So I'm working on this 720. It's like a 720 or cheat 720 kick. So basically it's like, so you spin one time, and on the second spin, like, you release the kick out. So my spin, like, I got two problems that's going on right now. I'm getting, like, I finally figured out how to open the leg up for the kick. So that shit is dope. Like, I'm able to spin, and my spins is fast. So when I get it, nigga, yeah, nigga. So not only am I gonna have the Forex, oh yeah, I'm gonna have the martial arts cracking. I'm gonna really show you how to get your mind, your body, and your soul cracking. A lot of people are scared of combat. I feel like you know, that's on you. But as a man, shit, we were prepped to be motherfucking warriors. Like, you either gonna get out there and battle, you know, and bring that motherfucking bacon home for your family, or you not. So what are you really about? You get what I mean? Turn it up, baby. Turn it up. Scale it up. Let's get it.
I had a shit popping like a freak tape. Ayy, mixtape vibes, can't think straight. Ayy, look, bangers on the line, not a mixtape, bitch. Fish got a whip to the fish break. Ayy, dash through the lane to the wheels tank. Big pay, up in all adrenaline. Get rich, and you will never feel the same. Niggas always wanna talk, but you to blame. Ayy, I'm turning on my game, turning up the fame. When they got a bigger house, now I'm in the game. Bigger name, bitch, this another lane. I done put in all that work and they want me to change. Ayy, whole team trade, but we still on 10. Still on 10, bitch, you still on 10. Party going up, always celebrate the wins. 10 bad bitches, bankroll, bring twins. But all big cities, no shoes like 20. Line up lit, so I'm about to go in. It's been all week, so we about to go in. Look, money off the cell phone, nigga, I'm lit. Ay, money off the cell phone, girls always sin. Ay, money off the cell phone, nigga, I'm him. Look, money off the cell phone, hot like Fritz. Ay, money rolling in, cause I'm hot like this. Ay, hot like this. Ay, hot like this. Look, fresh off the block, just hopped in the biz. Ay, gotta switch.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, so I like Bitcoin right now. I like Bitcoin right now. I like Bitcoin right now. You said what martial arts style is that kick? Well, I don't know the style. You feel me? I think it comes from Taekwondo, because Taekwondo is like the kicks. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is like the locks and shit. Capoeira is more like the dancing, your flow. You know what I'm saying? I guess like regular karate is more striking and shit like that. You feel me? So it's like every martial arts style, you know, it's then they got different I guess like different classes and different types of ancient styles from the basic, you know, basic styles of things like that. But like Yeah, it's from Taekwondo. The 720s, all the spin kicks, the 360s and shit like that. That's the Taekwondo shit. You feel me? That shit is pretty dope. You said you overexcited to hear the new album? Hell yeah. I fuck with that. Exercise and trading music, read it up. I'm 16, but I already feel like a pro. Well, shit, let's talk about it. And look, hey, I want to get an audience a chance to hop on here too. So I'm going to put the link in the JIT too, so y'all can y'all can definitely hop on as well. That's how I want to end this today, because we done marked up everything. I'm gonna speak about Bitcoin and shit, but no, I want y'all to, you know what I'm saying, I want y'all to hop on as well. So Bitcoin, I like trend line breaks. So what's dope about a trend line break, right, is you always want to know what's happening next. So looking left, but we already called like 19.3 to 17. I don't know if we're doing 17. I don't know if it's coming way down here. Bitcoin could probably do like 19,000. Right now we got 2 dojis, so you can't really guess it. You feel me? But what's currently, like, if I remove the trend lines, then the only thing we'll focus and pay attention to would be, no, come on, man. There we go. The only thing we'll pay attention to would be like the market kind of, moving to this side. I know that's pretty ugly, but it's me drawing this shit, not using the actual trend line. You get what I'm saying? But we got Bitcoin chilling at a doji. You obviously have to go into a smaller time frame and just look for a pattern. Right now, we can have price breakout any type of way. You know what I mean? If you want to look for a breakout to the top side, then it would be like 20,153, something like that. Try to get it over the top of that motherfucker, get it going. You feel me? Take it from like 20,000, like 22,000 if you can. You feel me? But I trade breakouts, so I definitely will have to come down to a smaller time frame, like the 5-minute, and just wait. And then also, like, I'm trading I guess around like opens and closes as well, like during the most volatility, because I really don't like waiting around for the market to move or anything like that. So I like to trade when there's value. You know what I mean? So you can do the same thing as well. Just be patient, wait, and get it cracking like that. But nah, like, if you want to hop on, that's the link right there. So all you do, click the link. Come on, let's chop it up. I got like this much blunt left. So or the camera up there, like this much blunt left. So it's pretty cool. You feel me? It's gonna smoke for a minute. We've been on here smoking this one backwood. That's why I like backwoods too. The way I smoke them, I fill them up. Shit, this one backwood, man. This shit didn't lasted the whole damn thing. Feel me? You like, oh, you not even pull it, though. I'm smoking it. For sure. Nigga, how you be hitting your shit? Is he a financial advisor? No, I am not a financial advisor. But I wrote a book on Forex. You know what I'm saying? You can check it out. I guess it's I don't know, proving myself. So, I mean, you can take it as factor opinion, however the fuck you want to take it. But no, I'm not your financial advisor. You know what I mean? You gotta go hire one of those. They'll tell you what to do with your money. I'm not telling you. I actually got the roach clip. Hold on, let me show you what you talking about. You feel me though? Hey, look, I am well prepared for this, my guy. I am aware. This is what I do. This is what I do. This is what I do. My man said, even if the 4-hour is the secret. Oh yeah, definitely run it up. Let's get it cracking though. Definitely gonna give y'all, like I said, a chance to hop on here. Yo, so what's dope about today, y'all? See, look, what's crazy is this energy is becoming unshakable. Like, I like the environment that's being created around. I like the vibe. Also, what I wanted to tell you too, that if you haven't already, if you need a new broker, click the link in my bio. But look, now we're gonna move on. Look, what I want to tell you too is I'm about to go live every Friday and every Sunday. So every Sunday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Mark that down. That's when we're doing Forex on Fridays. All right. Forex on Fridays every Sunday at 9 a.m. I mean, not Forex on Fridays. Forex on Sundays every Sunday at 9 a.m. My bad. It's the kush, man. It's the kush. It's the kush, nigga. Hey, next week, I got this song called Who Got the Gas? Hey, look, who got the pack? What? Hey, who got the loud, nigga? Who got the racks? Hey, who got the stats, nigga? Do you got the gas? Nah. Do she got the gas? Nah. Do he got the gas? Wait, hey, who got the gas? Hey, that shit go up. That shit go up. That shit go up. But nah, man. Somebody said, where's the book? It's on the way. I told you, look, next week. The thing is, the shit is en route. So They already said they produced it, and now I'm just waiting for it, man. I'm just waiting for my copy. That's it. You feel me? Shit is gonna be dope. Shit is gonna be so dope. The price point. I do not know the price point yet, to be honest. I want it to be competitive. I know there is some really good game in there, to say the least. You know what I mean? So, like, I don't want to be cheap. You feel me? I don't want to be cheap because I already know, like, man, look, the shit in there. First off, if you on the live stream, if you following Tyler K. Moore, then you already know what's in the book, nigga. It's that gas. It's that gasolina. Remember Daddy Yankee? Remember Daddy Yankee had that song? To the gasolina. Yeah, that's all in that book. All in the book. The gasolina is in the book. You feel me? Straight up. And then, like, I don't know, man. Like, it's a Forex book, P. It's a Forex book. So, you know. Also, I've been building a new network on the back too, on the back end of everything that I'm doing. You know, I fuck with the I got you, Kareem. I'm about to add you in a second. G, I see you. I got like a lot of musicians and shit that I fuck with, artists, musicians, things like that. Now, you know, outside the trading, you already know I like the rap and I like the music, things like that. So I want to build an environment that suits somebody like me, my network. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to get around that vibe and stuff like that soon, you guys will have access to it. It's going to be a paid network, but it's going to be for artists and, you know, people to just come in there and really network. You pay for it, you really going to give a fuck. So we coming in there, we really building a connection. We really tapping in with niggas. Okay, look, you can really get feedback on your shit. You get what I'm saying? Boom, you put your song out to your homie like, or not even your homie, random people. You know what I'm saying? Random people in there. Boom, boom, we listening, give you some real honest feedback. You know what I'm saying? And look, I got some connects too. So as we really start building, like, I'm gonna play the game how it's supposed to be played and have the people in there that's supposed to be in there. You feel me? Straight up. So let me add what's good with it, G? Hold on, let me put on a headphone. Yo.
What's happening?
Damn, y'all didn't tell me the mic was hot though. You ain't tell me it was this hot the whole time. There we go. All right, it's a little better now. It ain't clipping. All right, what's good?
Chilling, my man.
Say less, man. Shit, you on the line now, man. What's good? Where you from?
Carolina, North Carolina.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There's storming. I know it's been going crazy. What's that? It's the mid. That's the mid, or that's the East Coast?
It's East Coast. Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably raining this shit there for sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a little bit yesterday. Just a little bit.
Say less shit. Yeah, I'm in this California life, man. We don't
really
know too much about that, man.
I want to get out there to you, man. I'm a big fan of what you do, man.
You got to come to the book release then, man. That's gonna be October.
Word.
So already, if I was you, I already, you know what I'm saying, start on the plane tickets. If you get it now for October, your ticket gonna be $100 to $200. Just saying, it's stupid cheap. Probably be like a good little, like $100 to $200 for sure.
Okay, I never been to Cali though. So are you in LA or what part?
Shit, well, I'm gonna have it in LA. It's gonna be lit as fuck.
Okay,
lit as fuck. I'm bringing out all the special effects. Look, man, it's October and you just want to be there. You get what I'm saying? Like, my favorite month is Halloween. My favorite month is October, my bad. And my favorite holiday is Halloween. You get what I'm saying? So it's like I've been in entertainment business shit since yay high. You get what I'm saying? And I just can't wait to add in all of the motherfucking elements so y'all can really just rock with your boy.
Oh, that shit
good. Like, yeah, like my last event, it was unsuccessful. So like I just got this vengeance. I just gotta make this shit work. Like, nigga, that's what I'm on right now. I'm on dog mode. You feel me? So that's what I'm on right now. Yeah.
Respect. Big respect. Yes, sir.
Because nigga, that COVID shit that hit, it was just fucking shit up. They had it was just all type of shit going on. So I'm like, man, you feel I'm getting hit with everything. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna come back. And when I come back, I'm about to be.
I already know it.
Yeah.
I already know it. Yes, sir.
What up, y'all? What's the deal? Hell yeah. So shit, man. Tell me, man, how long you been trading for? What's up?
I started messing with trading around late 2018, early 2019. I got with a couple of courses. I think you might have heard of dude Swaggy C. I was rocking with his shit. I tried IML. I done tried a couple of things, man. I just couldn't get the gray areas out. They'll always seem like a gray area. I even got with your book one time. I thumbed through it and I just never picked it back up. No disrespect, I just never picked it back up.
Which book?
It was the free thing that you had, you had all the courses, and you just you just left it on like a
the Discord league.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you just left it. I thumbed through it. I was like, that's a lot of stuff, but I just never picked it back up. No disrespect, I just never picked it back up. But I got with somebody that could help me with some gray areas, some questions when I needed it, and I've been rocking with it ever since. I'm gonna put some real money behind it this year, or at least definitely next year. But let me start on it probably this year.
So let me stop you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I guess first, like, it sounds like you still scared to get started because you talk about you gonna put real money on it later. I say you could build that real money up, bro. Trading is about scaling. You get what I'm saying? Scaling and accountability and discipline. So the first thing you got to do is just be like, hey, self, this is what I like, talking to yourself. This is what I want. This is my real goals. This is where I want to get to. Accept where you're at. I think that's the hardest thing. You know what I'm saying? Accept it. Fuck it. Boom. This is my account size right now. You know where you want to grow the shit to, but you got to accept, hey man, it's like right now, I'm growing a motherfucking weed plant. You know what I'm saying? Just because, like, I don't know, I just want to try something new. I love weed. I just want to grow a motherfucking tree. You know what I'm saying? So, like every single day I gotta water it. I'm watching it grow, but every single day I have to water it. I gotta look at the leaves and shit. Gotta make sure, hey, it's not getting sunburn. Like it's a lot. You know what I'm saying? So it's taking care of a damn baby. You know what I mean? The same thing with your trading account. So yeah, you can eventually you're gonna get to the money that you want to put in it. But if you don't have the concept and you know the things locked in that you need to have locked in now and can't work the little dough, nigga, how you gonna work the big pack? And if you're not getting off the 8s, if you're not getting off the 40s, if you're not getting off, you know what I'm saying, the dimers, then you like, yeah, hey, look, just let me get this P. I got this plan. Like, let you get a P. Like, you get what I'm saying?
Right.
So straight up. So I feel like, you know, start small, get good with, you know, with flipping them dimers, bro. And then eventually you're gonna flip the dubbers. Then the 8th pack's going, then you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get your quarters and you're gonna eventually you scale up. You don't just start, you know what I'm saying, boom. So that's all I would just advise you to do. But if you want to wait, you know, the time you want to wait and come in, put the hefty amount because you feel better, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Do that too.
I always just felt like I just wanted to be able to survive some of the drawdown. That was my only thing.
Okay, so I got you. I'm gonna cut you off there too. So you want to survive the drawdown. Okay, that be your stop loss say to attack it. That be you taking too big of a loss. You don't just want to be rogue. As a man, shit, we get rejected all the time with everything. You know what I'm saying? So fuck it. It was just one of the rejections, bro. Boom. She said no. And
respect.
You get what I'm saying? She said no. Hey, what you gonna do about it? You can be, oh no, fuck that man. Like, bro, or you could, bro, it's keep it moving. Boom, keep it moving. So that's how you got to take it, like water on the duck back. The duck never complained about the water on his back because you just shimmy, shake it on off. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is.
I respect that. I appreciate that, OG. Real talk. I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Straight up. So yeah, that's what I would say, man. But like, you know, that's because I'm just listening and just like, okay, you know, because I study people, bro. You know what I'm saying? I be studying myself sometimes, asking like, what the fuck did I do that? But then like, oh no, I study people. Usually, when you say you're gonna do it later, you ain't gonna do it later.
Oh no, sir. I'm definitely gonna do this because
I know, but I'm, you know,
want this. Like, I see how you be moving in your videos. I'm like, yeah, I like that. The lambs, the Ferraris, hell yeah, I want some of that. Yo, real shit on the table. I want some of that. So I'm definitely gonna be fucking with it. I was just thinking if I had a bigger account.
But that's material shit though, bro. Like I would rather people tap into my mindset. That's why I'm dropping the books. That's why I'm dropping, you know what I'm saying? Because like what you don't know is, so the life I'm living today is the life I was dreaming about living, you know what I'm saying, years ago. It was the mindset. It was the setting goals. It was the, you know, the personal development, the self-development. You get what I mean? So like the money, okay, yeah, you understand the money, but shit, you don't really understand it until you really grasp like self. You get what I'm saying? Like you got to learn you, bro. And you know, no matter what amount of money that God bless anybody with, until you graduate to the mindset to where you can actually handle it and control it and boom, you're not gonna get more. So you're wondering, damn, why can't expand? Well, why can't you expand? Because you can't expand. So you gotta expand, and then you're gonna be able to expand. You get what I'm saying?
Facts. I got you.
Straight up, bro. So I mean, all that's gonna come, but I mean, I like, bro. So let me tell you, I used to be in my grandma's back bathroom, right?
Word.
It's this movie called The Secret, nigga. And she used to have a couch in her bathroom. It's this movie called The Secret. I would go watch if I was you. And it's this part of the movie where the people tell you, imagine your dream car, right? They say, imagine your dream car. Close your eyes and just act like you're in it. Feel the breeze, feel the turns, feel like, nigga, feel that shit. I used to be just feeling everything, nigga. Like, bro, so the thing is, like, you know, you can have a vision, but you need to smell it. You need to put yourself there. Like, you got to be there, bro. Like, you could be there. You get what I'm saying? So I'm really talking about quantum leaping and just taking the next step and getting to that next journey. But if you're really willing to scale your shit, bro, that's what it's going to take to scale your shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real, for real. So it's not just going to be the bread. Cause I mean, it's a bunch of paid niggas out here who still can't get no, you know what I'm saying? Why? Because, bro, you just a lame with money. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? So you want to be that nigga right here. Boom, I'm that nigga. And then life start moving. They like, yeah, this that nigga, that nigga came, he coming through right now. Like, hey, you gotta open the door because he coming through. You feel me? Coming through.
Man, it's really like that.
It's really like that, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Respect. I'll take all that in. Especially coming from you, OG. I definitely take that in. Definitely taking that in. Real talk. I can't wait for you to release that book, 5 to 1,000. I've seen people do that little challenge on YouTube, but I really want to see what you're talking about when you release that book. I definitely want to cop that.
For sure. You got to get the Trader Diet first. That's going to come soon in October. And then 5 to 1,000, I'll try to get that out to you guys by December. That'll be a Christmas gift. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So that'd be cool. Somebody said they watched The Secret. Well, yeah. Did I put the link up there? Oh yeah, there go the link. So how y'all do it? You just hop up in here, get that shit cracking like that. You feel me? And then make it move. That's really the move.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
When did you get your first like, oh shit type moment? Like, oh, this is what it is. Like, when did that happen?
I guess, like, so for me, everything happened in college, bro. I was meeting a lot of new people. I was a part of fucking like this company called World Ventures back then. Like, my light clicked on really, really early. You get what I'm saying? And one of the mentors at the time, I remember it was this dude, Dawood Smith. That was his name. He was like, hey, bro was like, hey, nigga, you ever, he was like, they said something about a 745 Li, boom, boom, boom. He was like, nigga, I done got this free from the company, boom, boom. So I'm listening, bro, like, what? Man, you come hop in that shit right now. Like, and I go really hop into 745, nigga. I'm like, yo, hey, this shit crazy. And I'm like, yo, what? So this was World Ventures, and this was like, you know, what really started cultivating my mindset because I was still hood as fuck, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I was just hood. I knew how to promote and I knew how to get popping. That was it. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind knocking on the motherfucking door. I was knocking at my dorm mates' doors, passing them CDs and shit. So I didn't mind getting out there. You know what I'm saying? But like, Dawood and all of it, like they was able to cultivate that shit. Like, nah, you need to learn some new shit. Get around these different people. It was this dude. It was my first millionaire that I met. The nigga came to my dorm, fucked me up, bro. I got the pictures and everything. His name was Matt Morris, bro. So Matt Morris comes in. First off, the assignment was to go get people to come to the dorm. All right, it was to come to the dorm so these people can come out and do what they need to do, right? So, nigga, I'm at everybody's door, knocking on the door and shit, trying to tell them, hey, I got this millionaire coming through, boom, boom, boom. Nigga, people just like looking like, like I don't care. Some people like, all right, yeah, I'll be there. But you know what I'm saying? We was able to get like 10, 15 people there. It was cool. All right. So after that, Matt Morris come, he do his whole little presentation and shit. He started asking people like, hey, you guys want to buy, boom, boom. And nigga, we in college. They don't really got no money. So like the product was like $300-$400 at the time. And then when they brought it down to the college discount, it was like $200 or something like that. Still people was like, like they ain't really know. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So what I'm saying is I'm saying all that to say is like, nigga, I've been molded and I was building myself into, you know what I'm saying, to what this shit is. You get what I mean? So it's like, you're gonna have to go through that fire. Nobody can escape the fire, bro. Nobody can escape the fire. We all gotta go through it. You want to be great, you want to be good, fuck it. You're gonna escape the fire. He good, he all right, nigga. Look right past. You want to be great, you gotta go through that shit. It's gonna look different, it's gonna feel different. You get what I'm saying? Your mindset gonna be different. Like everything, just the whole vibe gonna be different. So like, I guess like for me, I've always just been wanted to be the greatest everything, but you can't be the greatest everything, bro. It's impossible. You got to pick one thing. So I learned that, like, all right, I'm gonna work on this. So my whole goal was to be the greatest, whatever I set out to be. And you know, I'm working on that, and I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. But you know, for everybody out there watching, I would say y'all be on the same path and journey to just be great. Be on the path and journey to like this Forex shit for me. Why I go so fucking hard? Why I got Trade or Die tattooed on my back? Man, look, I'm really about that shit. Okay, yeah, I love Forex, but it ain't just because the charts, just because of some motherfucking money. My dreams is big as shit, and it's gonna take it. It was going to take something bigger than what I was doing to amass the capital and money to do what I really need to do. You get what I'm saying? So that's what Forex is for me. So that's why I'm nigga, it's on my face. Like, I love this shit. Nigga, it changed my life, bro. What? So I'm gonna own a whole lot of entities. That's all I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? In the future, I'm a big owner, nigga. I'm about to have a big owner. That's all I'm gonna say, man. I'm not one of those that want to put everything out. You know what I'm saying? But definitely, you know, just you guys be tapping in for real. You know, you want to see somebody going for greatness? Watch me, nigga. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like, and I hope everybody else wants to go for greatness in their life as well. For real. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. Greatest health, the greatest you, nigga. Do you know what it's like to be the greatest you? You wake up and feel, man, what? Wake up and feel good about yourself. You put the best food in your body, drinking the best. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, and I'm be honest, nigga, I've been slacking off eating junk and shit. So I want to get back to being like the best me as a human. It's bigger than this Forex shit, but Forex, right, will allow us to have a freedom because it's opening your mind. You get what I'm saying? Opening our minds so we can be able to crash entertain this shit. Straight up. Niggas couldn't even think about making fucking $500 to $1,000 in 2 minutes. 2 minutes? 2 minutes? Like, but do you get what I'm saying, bro? When I was in high school, you couldn't tell me that shit. I'd be like, 2 minutes? Nigga, I was robbing people and everything else. So 2 minutes to make $1,000, bro? Yeah, Forex, nigga. You feel me?
Different. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Boom, let's get it. What's up? What's up, Eric?
What's up, bro?
What up?
Hey,
hell
man,
yeah.
hey, man, I've been watching you for a minute, man. I just want to say thank you, man. This week was my first winning week after 6 fucking months of hard work until I find your fucking channel. Man, I really want to say thank you, man. I made 4,000 this week in 4 days.
Hey, that nigga was going up out here.
Hell yeah.
Hey, y'all put motherfucking flames in the chat, man. What's up?
Yeah.
Nah, hey, y'all gotta show some love.
It feels so good. Some guy, my homeboy, he actually sent me a message Friday. He needed money. He was trying to look for some money.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, I just made $4,000 in a week. So I was like, man, I'm gonna let that nigga borrow some money. And that's what he wanted 100. I sent him 300. I was like, here you go, bro. I mean, he told me, he's like, whenever I have money, I'm gonna pay you back. I'm like, I don't even worry about it, bro.
That's solid right there.
Yeah, you solid.
That's solid right there,
bro.
And they going up for you in the chat too with the flames. That's what's up. As y'all
I was talking on the YouTube comments. I was like, man, get me on, man. Get me on. I want to say thank you. Man, I'm a subscriber for life, for sure.
Hey, we locked the fuck in. What's up?
Hell yeah. Hey,
you got to get the Trade or Die book.
I'm from Houston, by the way.
Are you from Houston?
All I did was use your YouTube videos, man.
Ooh.
Say less.
Free game.
Say less.
Hey, man. Thanks
to I need to have an event or some shit out there.
Hell yeah. Thanks to
who would come if I had some shit, though? What's up?
Hey, let me get your number, bro, so when we can get, contact. When you know, if you can,
For sure. I'll give it out. You ready?
Hold up.
Oh, shit. Let me get paper 10. Shit.
All right, what is it?
Y'all text me too if y'all want it, nigga. This my line. You feel me? So I'll be tapped in.
What is it, bro?
323
323
286
286
57
57
53.
53. Hell yeah, I'm putting you in right now.
Let's get it.
I just got a piece of paper. What was that? 323 what?
323 286 57 53. That's my line.
Got you.
Hell yeah.
My guy, if you don't mind me asking you, what did you trade to make that bread like that, man? What did you trade? Hey, I can't hear him. I can't hear you, big dog.
You gotta unmute.
Me?
Nah, he go hop back on.
Oh, okay.
He said smoking and talking trading. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all, if y'all would hop on, y'all hop on too. It's all good, G.
Hey, nah, but US 30, I was trading US 30 at first. I was scared of it. I blew my account a couple times because of it. Then I was like, man, fuck that. So I went to Forex and I was trading like the USD, GPY, shit like that. But I was like, man, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm trying to make some money. I already have a job. I'm a welder here in Houston. I already have money, you know, but I was like, man, I'm trying to get wealthy. I'm trying to fucking make it. I've been that black sheep with my family for the longest, man. I'm fucking ready. I'm 28. It took me this long, but man, I'm fucking happy, man.
I know that's right.
Well, I'm proud of you, man. You feel me? Sometimes it just take a bit to have that breakthrough.
Man, I wish.
Yeah, I had a shitload of sleepless nights, man. A shitload.
Yeah, hey, when you first made the bread, what was the first thing that you thought, bro? When you first made the bread,
bro, my heart was pumping. I'm like, man, I'm about to quit my job soon.
I was waiting for that.
I swear, man. Once I made my first stack, I was like, man, what the fuck did I just do, man? What the hell? And then I'm like, Friday, we didn't work Friday. So I woke up, I rolled over my bed, and I was like, usually I check CNBC to check what's going on with the Dow Jones and shit. So I like looking, and then I looked at the charts and the fucking big ass red candle. I'm like, man, I'm gonna hop in this bitch somehow. And then I went into the minute chart. I was reading the candlesticks. I learned a little bit the candlesticks, and then I found a good ass entry, and I just entered that bitch. And I made like
caught the drop on Friday.
Hell yeah, I made 2 racks. I'm like, man, fuck, what the fuck? I'm like, that's it. That's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna see what I can do today. I'll probably chill for a little bit, but you know me, I'm hyped up, man. I'm trying to make some money. Fuck that shit, you know?
Yes, sir.
You can't be scared to make money. At first, I was scared. Ain't gonna lie, but that's how I was blowing my accounts. But then I was like, I don't know what. I just woke up one day. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make some money today. And then that's what happened.
I feel that. Shit, I think that's lit, bro.
Real talk.
I feel like a lot of people could learn from your story about, just actually getting out and taking the risk. The hardest thing to do sometime in life is take risks, bro. People have the opportunity presented right in front of them. Sometimes exactly what you can have exactly what you pray for walk right in front of you, right? An opportunity just walk right by. You like, nigga, didn't you ask for this shit? And the thing is, you asked for it. It's what you drafted up, bro. What's crazy is life will give you exactly what you're looking for if you go looking for it.
And you know what? Everything started with crypto, man. I was always I'm the type of person that's like, man, I want money. Somehow I'm gonna make it through this life, because my parents are from Mexico, man. We didn't have that much shit when we were younger.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, my dad used to be rough on me. One time he told me I wasn't worth shit. He was drunk. He used to drink a lot. And I told myself, man, one day I'm gonna pay this nigga's house and he's gonna know what's up. I want to prove
the nigga. I'll be gotta this bitch was really good.
Hell yeah, I'm finna pay their house. I'm finna pay my house. I'm finna do a lot of shit. The world's endless now that I'm able to do this.
Hell yeah.
That's what's up, my dog. That's what's up.
I fuck with you.
Yeah.
But appreciate you bringing me on here, man.
Yeah, so definitely appreciate it. I just wanted to say thanks, and I've been watching. I mean, I know I got a lot of fake accounts that's behind you. They be trying to do what you're doing. I'm like, man, this dude ain't gonna follow me, man. You know who I am, man. So I figured out, let me holler at him, man. Let him know, man. Like, I appreciate it.
I barely be on the Instagram joint, so it's definitely not me that's reaching out, man. People be hitting me. Oh, yo. So I talk about that right now. So this girl, I was supposed to make a video about it, but I guess since I'm live, I can, I can go in. So she sends me this message, right? And her name is Bernique. So she sends me this message with this scammer dude. So the scammer dude hits her up, right? He goes, hey, this the message that she sent me between her and the scammer nigga. So I'm gonna read it. So he's like, hey, what's up, miss? So she like, hey, what's up? So he like, all good, miss. How your day going? But this, like, if I'm messaging you, you feel me? So I'm like, all right. So she goes, going good so far on yourself. Been trying to trade like you. LOL. LOL. I saw that one comment in the comment section. How's your investment portfolio going so far for you this month? Nigga, what? Like, you feel me? So this how they start. So she was like, she's, she tells me about her investment, and then he's like, all right, cool. So these niggas go into this whole little spill. So the crazy part about that is they do this sound. So he takes the sound, or I guess they take the sound from my YouTube and use my voice, right? And I'm about to play the recording of them recording my voice off the fucking off the computer and playing this shit out. That's how good these niggas are now. So I do when I do messages, I will voicemail you and stuff, but like, hey, I will video chat. We doing business for real. I don't mind video chat. I don't mind any of that. You can send me the, yo, Ty, let's hop on the phone. Nigga, call me. That's why I put my number out there. You feel me? It doesn't matter. I don't mind getting on the phone. It's business, bro. At the end of the day, you get what I'm saying? So I wouldn't do business with you guys in this type of way. If we're doing business, if you're talking to me, we'll be on the phone. It's gonna be more prolonged. I'm just kind of let you guys know that these scammers are getting really, really good out there. So you have to really be on your P's and Q's and shit when dealing with it. So it's, oh, boom, well, Ty hit me up. Okay, nigga, what do you want? You get what I'm saying? Bro, I'm not gonna ask you that. I'm not gonna really hit you up. And it's not even on no, oh, I don't want to hit you up shit. Not speaking to you, I'm speaking in general terms. You get what I'm saying? But like, shit, I barely be on Instagram. So I'm not really gonna send out a DM. Like, I be on YouTube. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm MetaTrader playing fucking zombies or doing what I do during the day. You get what I mean? So that's what it is. But I'm about to play the audio. I'm about to play the audio back for you guys right now, just so you on your P's and Q's and you know. All right. Nigga, sound just like me. I mean, it is me, but it's recorded off the shit. But listen to how it's that sound, that it's that loud little TV. You know what I'm saying?
Man,
but
you
that's
can tell
not
that's
me.
recorded. You can tell that's recorded.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, that's as far as these niggas is going now with the shit. So I'm just trying to put everybody who follow me. I've said this shit in messages. I've posted on Instagram, but I'm just tired of people messaging me like, yo, Ty, look, bro, I really like this. I've put it out again. And I mean, it's gotten to this point. They've gotten really, I guess they figured out their logistics. They know how to hit now. They wouldn't, keep hitting off the shit if that's what it was. But that's what it is, y'all. I'm just trying to put y'all on game,
Yeah, I don't like doing business with somebody and they talking about like putting money up and I ain't looked at their face. I hate it. I can't do it.
Straight up. Yo, what's good with it? What's good with it, Cameron?
Yo, what's up, bro?
What up?
Chilling. We're ready to start the week. I'm up on my evaluation account like 3.4%.
You doing FTMO?
My Forex funds.
Okay. Where you from, G?
I'm from South Florida, Broward.
Say less. That's what's up. How long you been in the game trading for?
I started like around COVID time, so it's been like less than 2 years. I think November is when I started, but I was in like IM Academy, so it wasn't really a start. You feel me? Yeah, but like now is when I like really like know what I'm doing. Like I'm profitable like every week.
So I guess the question I would have was like, what would the difference now be with you trading on your own versus trading with said group?
The said group. I mean, well, this year just wasn't. I didn't know what I was doing. I was basically just following someone. Like the way they make it seems like you're learning and earning, but in reality, you have to like really like learn it on your own because you don't know why certain people are taking certain trades. You know what I mean? And like some setups,
okay,
like they might be like a swing trader or a day trader, and I'm a scalper. So like my psychology wouldn't even work for their setups. You get me? Okay. So basically, like all I had to go through was finding a setup that works for my psychology for me to be profitable.
Hell, sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Somebody said Broward in the building. Hank go trade. They going crazy. Hank go trade. Yeah, too much white noise in the background. A dynamic noise gate would clean it up. Very careful, bro. I'm saying, man, the Instagram shit. I don't know. I put out the verified shit, but I always get denied for the shit. I don't know, maybe because I got too many profiles. But shit, I don't really be tripping. I guess let me drop a few books and shit, and maybe that'll clean it up, or shit, maybe it'll make it worse.
Yeah, to make it like for like business and shit like that. And
yeah. Hold on, we got somebody else on here too. Yo, what's good with it? Yo.
What's good? What's good?
What's good? Hey, where you from, G? What's good with it?
I'm from Cali originally, but I'm in AZ right now.
Yeah, nigga, I know it's hot out there.
Hot as fuck, my boy.
That boy gotta be in AC 24/7, man. Shit, that's for real, for real.
Oh yes, sir.
Hey, how long you been trading for?
Like 2 years. I started in 2020, and it was two years in June.
Shit, that's a lot of people, man. Y'all definitely came in. Y'all like the new boomers, man. Like COVID drove a lot of new people to the market. That's the craziest shit.
And
you know me? Like that is the craziest thing, for real. Because I remember like back like 2013, 2014, nigga, when Forex was like it was heard of, but people were just doing it. They weren't like, it wasn't like, you know what I'm saying, super amplified and shit like that. Like you'll see the blue charts and groups every now and then, but you be like, what the fuck is that? But you ain't really know, you know what I'm saying? But you already knew, like, oh, niggas on that Forex shit.
Was that when what's it called? It's like all the people were going to like the colleges and promoting it.
Shit, this was way before this. This was like, shit, bro. This was back in like, all right, so the Forex, I guess the boom, well, not the boom, but I guess the infancy of the online world shit started back right after Wake Up Now. You feel me? Like all the people in Wake Up Now didn't know what the fuck to do, and then it was like, like they were controlling this shit. That was like the network marketing shit. They were living like the network marketing dream, nigga. They had that shit popping. That's where IML got their blueprint from. You feel me? From Wake Up Now, for real.
I remember that. I remember they had a lot of celebrities behind it too.
Man, that shit was crazy, bro. You feel me? I wasn't a part of it, but because I was in World Ventures, and then they had to Wake Up Now. Just I was doing something totally different. Like, you feel me? But bro, man, after I seen like, how shit was moving, like 2013, 2014, around that time, you feel me? Or was it 2012? It was like 2013-ish, and then going into 2014. That's when like the whole Forex shit started, and then yeah, bro. Like it just started going crazy. Now, what is it? About to be 2023. Like, nigga, it's evolved like crazy. Like look at all the people on here now, bro. We all ethnic.
Yo.
Oh snap! Yo, I just realized.
You feel me? So I'm just saying, like,
hey, that's one thing I peep on your side of the industry. Like, it's all like ethnic people. You know what I mean?
We connect, bro. The thing is, look, I wasn't trying to change, man. I mean, why? When the only thing we were doing was trading. Let's really talk about it. You feel me? Right. And who's that? Yo, what's up, Jai? What's good, man? Where you from, G?
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, big fan. So I was in Cali, and so I moved to AZ to cut down on expenses. I could make less with trading and still live off of it.
I feel that.
Right. And so right now I'm funded with FTMO and MFF.
Okay.
Wow. And so that's how I make my money right now. I'm saving. I have my own savings, but I'm not trading my real money because I ain't trying to risk my real money. You know what I'm saying?
That's cool. Shit.
Hey, did I try FTMO? I did this with my own.
Oh snap! So
I say my Forex funds.
So I like my Forex funds because they give you a little bit more money to play with. They give you an extra like 2 bands for every 100K.
Yeah.
So that's why I like them. FTMO's good too. They got real good customer
also
service.
A lower target and it costs less.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I started trading like five years ago. I was in the military at the time. Yeah. And so military life was garbage. So I was like, man, I don't want to have a job when I leave. And so I was like, okay, let me like work out this trading thing. So my sister was in IM, and she made. I gave her 1,000. She turned out to 2,500 in about 2 days. So I was like, "What?"
Damn.
And then she lost
You
all
feel
of
me?
it in about 30 minutes.
You lost.
And then I was like, "Oh,
you're funny as hell, bro."
I said,
well, that means if you can make that much that fast and lose that much that fast, obviously there's something else. There's something to this."
Yeah.
Big facts.
Oh God,
That's true.
And once you figure out, you feel me, that shit move fast. Shit, man, your whole life, like
basic key is using stop losses. That's it. That's what made me. Because
Facts.
it didn't work for me not using stop losses. That's when it started working. Whenever I started using it.
Okay.
Yeah, once you figure out that losing is a part of the game, you'll be good.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh yeah, big fact. Oh yeah, nobody 100%. Nobody.
Somebody said MFS is smooth once you get the first payout.
Yeah, it's like what's better? There's no difference between making 60K in a month and then blowing your account right after, or making 60K in a year and you still have your account.
And you still made the 60K.
So that's how I see it. Yeah.
I feel you. Keep the money, goddamn. Shit. Nah, because it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. You feel me? Like, you know what I mean? Shit. It's like, yeah, man, I done ran up a hole, boom, boom, and nigga then ran through it too. Ran it up and ran right through it. Where it's at though, nigga, just spent every man, goddamn. And money, bro, like money be moving so fast. That's why when people be scoffing at like the price of things, like I'll be like, bro, and I guess it's like once, man, like $1,000. Once you get started trading, like I remember when, man, $1,000 used to be like, damn, like nigga, if I had 1,000, you feel me? Like
it's not hitting
that was
budge.
shit, nigga. But then boom, we run into Forex and it's like, hold on, like 1,000, bro. Nigga, that shit, it don't even do nothing for you.
That's a good day.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
It is a good day.
That's a good day.
Yeah. But nah, it's a great day. When you think about it, like, bro, 1,000 a day, bro, that's 30 a month. Well, really, realistically, like 25, 27 a month. You know what I'm saying? But bro, 27 a month and you cooling like
lovely.
Shit, 300 to 400 a day. Nigga gonna have people straight. That's like what 13,000, something like that a month, just off that. So yeah, y'all, man, shit, bro. People be, I guess you just gotta, you know, where you set your targets at, you know.
Hey, another thing I can say is just be patient. Be patient. That's it. I have my setups ready just in case they hit. I'm like, man, just wait for that retest and just get in that shit. That's it.
I feel that.
Hey, salute to you, bro. Like, congrats on that, for real.
Hey,
that's it, man. I missed out on a move. I trade S&P 500. Yeah. I just couldn't get a good entry because my stop loss would have been too big. But I was thinking about hopping in, but I was just like, I can't. My stop loss would be too big.
Look, that right there,
you
don't even know what would have happened, right? Because it could have went right back up.
That's what I'm saying. Because at first it made that one big move to the downside, then went right back up.
Nice.
And then went all the way down like 200 pips.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Yeah.
Crazy.
And I had caught after it shot down, I caught that shit back up to the top side. So the next entry for me was like 32,900 or 30 something 900 or some shit like that, right? Bro, nigga, that shit must have kept dropping. I was like, yo, fuck it, like I just let it drop, bro. I didn't even jump in. You feel me? Like the old me would have been like, oh, I'm gonna try to hop in. I was like, you know what?
No, it's like I'm done, bro.
Nigga.
I hopped in that bitch. That's how I made my money, but I was like, fuck it.
Because I didn't lose a single day last week. So I was like, let me just not mess this up.
That's cool. Look, hey, and that's dope that you speaking about, you know, just going on the streak like that and controlling your mindset at the end. Because I mean, shit, some people, they just really have a problem with controlling that, bro. Like, I think, like, you know, the hardest thing to do, you know, in life is to be patient. You feel me? As humans, we want everything now, and especially with the way that society is working. Like, now is so prevalent with our lifestyle. It's like, man, shit, if you want a burrito, how long is it gonna take you to get it? You know what I'm saying? About 5-10 minutes. If you have to drive, boom, they make it. If you like, but you can get what you need right now. You get what I'm saying? Boom, you thirsty, need some water, go to the store, bam. Now, like, so our convenience is so there. So even with success, we want that shit like convenience. I feel like if you want to get it like convenience, you have to just build a bigger network. You know what I'm saying? And the bigger your network, well, it becomes more convenient because you got more resources. Your store bigger, like, oh man, I need to go boom, boom to the warehouse, but your homie got the warehouse now. And if this really your dog, like y'all locked in, I mean, shit, your resources, his resources, your resources. Like now we got resources and we can do more shit. But like people be selfish and shit. They don't be trying to combine. Like niggas don't be thinking potluck. They be thinking me. Like, bro, right. me. Keep you by yourself. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, and like that applies to more than just Forex too. You know what I'm saying? Like that's true. Even like families, if families like stick together, then they'll be able to escape that generational, struggle.
Nigga, but we need help in the Black community with that. That's something I can for sure say.
I
start with the man in the house though.
I remember in the beginning, I used to look for help. I used to ask anybody knew about Forex. All they would ask money. I was like, man, fuck, I don't have money. That's what I'm trying to make.
Yeah.
And like right now that you gave me a number, bro, I was like, this nigga real. This nigga's real for real.
Yeah, y'all can tap in with me, bro. Shit, I will not be tripping.
Hell yeah, that's for sure, man.
Definitely. I looked up this study and it turned out that so Ty, like you exhibit this too. They say that successful people exhibit these 3 different qualities. Right? These 3 qualities are 1, they think they're better than everybody else. Right? It's a mindset thing, right? 2, they never think that they're enough, right?
Yeah.
So those 2 combined, just as infinite scaling. You know what I'm saying?
I feel you. Yeah.
And then number 3, which is like the most important, in my opinion, is they have impulse control.
I feel you.
So those 3 things, like every successful person that you look at, they all exhibit those same things. It's the same reason why Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, everybody, they're still working, even though they already
better between Elon and what's that Google man name?
The Indian guy. Yeah, I know you're talking about. They all
slid
the same traits, and so I mean, if you look, because it's not that you are technically better than somebody, but if you have that belief versus everybody else not having that belief, you're gonna be better.
You're gonna try to reinforce the beliefs.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you.
I'm with that shit.
So when people tell you like, "Oh man, yeah, like, he's all cocky, yada yada," it's like that's a good thing.
I get that shit all the time.
Bro, they hate that shit, bro. I feel like, and to be honest, I feel like everybody gotta have a hint of cocky. You need to feel like you the shit when you doing what you doing. Look. If the lady that's making my food don't feel like she in there, fucking like nigga, if you don't feel like the shit, you ain't putting no love in it.
There you go.
You get what I'm saying? Imagine you get a cake, right? Look, you got a cake. Somebody going 50% your cake. You see it look like it's 50%. Your name all spelled, you know what I'm saying? Your name spelled wrong and stuff. You feel me? The next thing you know, you go to this next person, but they love this shit though. They 100%. Matter of fact, 100%. Man, you look at the name, it's so squiggly near. You like, man, like I don't even want to cut this cake because it looks so good. But I'm about to cut it though because I'm hungry. Shit.
Yeah, right.
Real shit.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you.
The Google man.
I was not in on Friday. I saw it and it made my stomach hurt. I wasn't even in it, and I was like, "Yo, I know so many people just like lost money right now."
Yeah, they probably did.
They're like, "Oh wait, I need to. I gotta hop in," and then it shot back up, and I was like, "Oh
active.
no!"
Somebody said I was in it. Hey, hell yeah.
Yeah, I was like, that's a lot of blown accounts. That's a lot of made money right there. I was like, oh man.
But shit, I had to tell y'all too. Y'all got some new merch that's about to drop too. Nigga, these shorts, bro. Let me see. I got this one from my iPhone.
Hey, bring back the Forex hoodies, like the classics.
You feel me?
Yes, sir.
You feel me? Please bring them things back, bro. with the little currencies on them joints. The little
yeah, you know.
Please bring them back, big dog. Please.
Oh, the blacks and the whites.
Yeah,
whatever color you get, black, white, red, whatever you got, bro. Bring them joints back, bro. Man, come on, G.
I got you. Look, now y'all gotta look at this new shit. Y'all gotta look at this new shit. I'm trying to find it. This shit is crazy.
Yeah,
I'm gonna just show
y'all.
y'all
Getting into real estate now, right? But yo, everything is I started thinking about Forex changed my mind in terms of like, shorts?
Yeah.
So
not bad.
Ooh,
not bad.
And then got the little you got the cell phone coming out with it. That shit crazy. Like the nigga coming out the shit like I Dream of Genie, nigga. That shit crazy.
Well, you on your mogul, ain't you?
It's not even the thing is, bro. So look, so this shit sound crazy. I'm not necessarily making clothes to sell. And you probably like, nah, what do you mean? But like, I guess entrepreneurship wise, like, okay, I gotta sell it because products and shit like that, because business, right? But I'm making this shit because there's no like stock market shit that I want to rock, bro. Like when I walk in the store, it's like, nigga, what represents what I do? Like, okay, I got other aspects of things in my life, but bro, I've walked in many stores and I've yet to see a stock market shirt. Like, nigga, I trade, bro. I want to see what I do, but they don't have that. You get what I'm saying? I want to buy shit from my room. They don't have that. So what they don't have, I guess I gotta make. You feel me? So I've been making all type of shit. So it's like when it comes to this Forex shit, like, bro, I'm gonna be king of the Forex products. Not because, you feel me? Like I said, not because like I want to sell, but because I want people to have shit. Like, man, y'all trade, y'all should have Forex pillows, Forex niggas. If you really trade, you should have the shit. Like a basketball player, bro, got the ball is life socks. My nigga got a basketball. You get what I'm saying? Like, got the little mini hoops. Like, bro, if you go to his room, everything is basketball. So if you trade, nigga, when we look around, it should look like you trade. Yeah, I'm just saying. You get what I'm saying? So that's my whole goal. I just want to be able to create things that, you know, people can be like, man, this was a representation of representation of us. So if y'all just trust me and just look, man, the Lord blessed me with a crazy creative mind. Because first off, if it was here, it would have already been here. I'm just saying, it would already been here. So I'm here to make this shit possible so y'all can have some dope ass shit. Just trust me, I got us, man. You feel me?
All right.
Straight up. Niggas gonna be at home like, man, I got my Forex. Like, nigga, what? Like, how you even looking better than the other shit?
In part of the same vein, I be bumping your music too, man. And people at work be like, what is that? I got girls over there shaking their ass to the SPX. You heard me. That shit is hard in the
SPX 5.
Yeah, they be crazy.
I need that song, yo. What? I didn't know that you have a song for that.
Hey,
that's what I triggered.
Hey, I'm with that.
I be putting my little Bluetooth up. That you know, it's a little. It got a little beat to it, but that girl crazy on that SPX, bro. Yes,
I'm with that. That's tight. Shit. Hey,
shit, that shit slap.
No, my favorite is Stop.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to get it out there. Shit. Bro said, no, I'm just enjoying it. Fuck them.
Mine is Trail and Stop It. Wait, what does it go like?
Winning profit, Trail and Stop It.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that shit bump.
Oh yeah,
hey, that shit is law, bro. Like when you trade it, bro, that shit law. If I don't put the Trail and Stop, the song low key play, bro, on some shit.
No, and I think when you put a song, it just keeps on going, bro.
Yeah,
it just keeps.
I gotta check out this new shit. Like I feel like I guess. I don't know, like I elevated. I wanted this new shit, some shit that we can ride to. Like it's very much California, but also like what we did was pay attention to the sub base. That was what we were really big on when we were creating the records. Like I really wanted the subs to go up for y'all. You feel me? So you could be in the car and that shit just rattling and shit. Like that was the whole goal of this. So like, you know, on this new tape, all of the subs, we, you know, they pushed them all the way up. And we just trying to slide, man. I want y'all to be just rocking down the motherfucking street, just vibing, man. Just a cool little vibe. If you got a little shorty or something, you can, you know, put on one of those shits. And yeah, we about to slide. Like, nigga, what is this? Nigga, we got like it's a little, and it's 200 on the down, about to run it up. 2 loaded buy stops, I'm about to run it up. You like 2 loaded buy stops, but nigga, 200 on the down. We got 2 loaded buy stops. You feel me? When the take profit hit, nigga, I'm about to double up. Like some shit like that shit. Like, no, that should be going up though. So that was 200 on the Dow. I'm gonna drop that soon. And Yeah, y'all vibed to that though. But
Hey, you was playing that on your video, huh?
I was playing that on the I was in the Maybach, nigga. I was in the backseat.
Yeah.
The bitch, and I had turned on the 200 on the shit, nigga. That shit was like, yeah. But like, I don't know, like it sound different in there. So like, I guess that's what we trying to adjust it to with the surround and the surround. You feel me? So that's what niggas be trying to like when we mixing, like, yeah. So shout out to that nigga Wood on the beat. And this new dude, bro, Punk Beats. Like, bro, like a Hispanic dude, but he be making like nigga beats, bro. Like, you feel me? So I'm rocking with him, like, cause I was asking him, I'm like, bro, like, nigga, where are you from? Like, cause it's, you feel me? Like, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, hey, but bro, in the trenches in LA. So I mean, and see, this is what I learned. I was like, hey man, I guess it don't matter where you from, because this other dude, Viper Beats, like he not African American either, but he be making Ralphie the Plug shit and all that shit. So it's like, you know, just dealing with different producers or different ethnicities, just how they adapt to the culture. I think that shit is amazing, man. And that's why I love music, like, because it's universal. Like Forex, sometimes it's hard to connect because if you don't trade or got money or not even got money, where, you know, on the mindset to get money, then you ain't really gonna connect with this shit. But music, bro, it's universal. Like niggas could be going through shit and the song get the you get the nigga, fuck you talk about, nigga, get the groove and you came right up out your funk. Like, you feel me?
Absolutely.
So that's the whole goal. Like I got this one song, Sudden Changes. You know, one of my goals, like I want people to cry at the show. Like it's crazy that you say that, but like hear me out, right? Hear me out. See, it's about when you really think about situations, like, and really think about, like, I'm gonna have y'all close your eyes and just go through y'all breakthrough and really just, nigga, just how we set up the whole situation. Motherfuckers gonna be yeah, nigga, with the tissue, right now, but these ain't even, but they're not even gonna be bad tears. It's nigga, because you're gonna remember, like, yeah, you really made it, like, nigga, you really made it through. Like, so some people really don't give thanks and really pay attention to how far that they really truly came. And I feel like because you're not appreciative, that's why it's hard to graduate to the next level. You get what I'm saying? But like, boom, get to the go ahead.
It's just like what happened to me this week. Me and my wife had a talk. We kind of teared up together because we remember when we lived at an apartment, bro. We make eggs, fucking noodle soups, because we didn't have no money to cook. You know, we didn't have no money. We were always like barely living. Yeah. And then when I ended the week like that, I was like, what the fuck? You know, I'm being blessed. I appreciate you know what's going on. So, you know, me and my wife were talking. We're like getting sentimental and shit. Now that you're talking about that, because that shit's good, man. For anybody, man.
Hell yeah.
Bless, bro.
Get that shit cracking, you know what I'm saying? Like, just grow. That's I feel like the next phase, like even what I'm trying to do on my channel, like I said, like how we even got to this discussion is like the next phase of what we're doing is growth. Bro, trading is just getting bread. Okay, you got the money. Nigga, and bro, look, man, it's a bunch of niggas with money out here. You got to bring something to the table. So we gonna elevate that mindset, elevate our bodies, fucking eat better. You know what I'm saying? Stay in the books, read more, like just elevate. You get what I'm saying? I feel like that's the next level of like just where I'm trying to go. So I feel like, you know, as a community, I want the community to grow with me, man. Everybody everybody has their own respective path and journey. Like, I don't know why we're connected. I don't know why we got on the live together. Like, there's some people I've talked to in older lives, and they're like, yeah, man, I've got on your live before, boom, boom. Like, but they're in a different place in life, not because of life, but just because they're grinding, they're doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? But it's like shit you never really know, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's dope, man, just to be able to connect with people and use this as like a platform to just be tapping in. Like, hey, who knows where in here you at in 5 years?
On the live, I've never been on a live, but man, I don't know. I'm just so hyped, just feeling good, man. I'm like, hopping this bitch. I was like trying to log in my Gmail. I never log in my Gmail, man. I'm gonna get in here, man. I'm gonna tell him thank you, man.
Real talk.
I'm with that shit.
Yeah, I be seeing you doing your thing, man, for a minute, man. I just like, man, I'll just throw like a little message or like a little, you know, comment or something. But when you open the door, bro, I had to step through and say what's up, man.
I fuck with that.
Oh yeah.
And what's cool, like we ain't had no trolls in the comments either. That shit been clearing out. Like that, bro, the energy too strong, bro. Like they gonna come and try to troll, bro. You can't even when this shit get bigger. I feel like the love gonna be overpowering the hate so much. Like, just like, bro, it's gonna be like wearing red at a Blue concert, nigga. You feel me? Like, hey, Nixon, what? Like, bro, hey, you already know you can't be on that vibe over here. Like, cause don't fuck up the energy. Like, if you come in here with your bullshit, like you mess it up for everybody. Like, you get what I'm saying? We was over here vibing, boom, boom. Now he in here arguing and shit. Like, oh my god, here we go with this, bro. Like, you feel me? We gotta stop what we doing. I think we was partying. Man. But yeah, I'm gonna slide out of here in a minute. I'm just about to roll up.
Hey, shit, bro. Well, I appreciate you, man. I really appreciate, man, everything you've been doing for the community. Hey, whenever you come to Houston, you got a place down here, bro, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, appreciate that, man. Shit, I need to come back soon.
Yeah.
Shit, if I had an event out there, who would pull up though? What's up?
Man, I gotta get on the airplane. You sound
What
like
he said. I gotta get on the plane, man.
I actually know. So my uncle lives in Houston, so that'll be crazy. I'm going there for like I think Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Yo, Ty. So I know you got your fingers in you got your fingers in the music industry. You got your fingers in Forex, obviously. You got your fingers in you're everywhere. You're everywhere all at once. So it's
clothing.
How do you balance it out? Do you have like a team that manages in the other areas? Are you doing this solo?
All right, so let me explain. So, cause I guess that's why I wanted to write another book on this shit. Cause I know it seems crazy, but this is my concept, bro. I call it the power of 24, right? So you got 24 hours in a day. And, your mind generates ideas on things you want to do. We got thoughts that just fly by. You can either catch them or let them go. You get what I'm saying? But all day our mind is, oh, man, I want to do this. Oh, man, what about this? Oh, man, like this is all fucking day. Like, I know I'm not the only human that this shit happens to. Like, come on now. You get what I'm saying? So, but you got a chance to either catch that thought or let it go. So you got 24 hours in a day. Okay, well, let's take it back to high school. So in high school, they gave us 6 things that, we had to study, and they broke the shit down in like semesters. But this is 6 different things: math, science, literature, whatever else the fuck. But it's 6 whole different things, right? So I look at it like, okay, well, shit, if you can learn, 6 things in a semester, I mean, shit, you just really, pick up the skills you really like and want. You can try a lot of things. Pick up what you like and want, the stuff that you like. Hey man, I want to sharpen like that. Like I'm into like fucking like, so in the entertainment business, outside of like, I guess the on-camera part, bro, I'm all into electronics. Like, I'm not gonna go deep into details, but man, I'm all into the electronics. Like, from stage building and all the aspects on the, you feel me, cameras, yes, all the aspects on the stage. Like, I love that shit. So, that's a part, like it's something that I love. But when it comes to like, a subject like that, like stage building, so what are the many departments that you need? You're gonna need to know lighting, screens, types of screens, different type of things. And like, you could pawn that off to somebody else. That's their job, that's their function. And obviously, they're gonna charge you a nice price for that. But when you're getting charged, bro, you get charged for what you don't know. You get what I'm saying? So when you're paying, for what you don't know. Hey, I don't know how to do this. So the guy who's the best at it, that's who you got to pay the best price. The guy who's mediocre, hey man, you're gonna get a mediocre price. Like, you get what I'm saying with what it is. So all in all I'm saying is like, yo, I take 24 hours out a day and I'm breaking that shit down. So sometimes for an hour I'll do my little martial arts shit. Sometimes for an hour I'll do my Forex shit. Sometimes for an hour I'm doing this. I'm doing the writing for the music. Sometimes for an hour, 2-3 hours I'm doing a book. Then I'm like, oh fuck, I'm bored. What I want to do? Shit, I don't know. Go karting. Then for an hour out, like I'm always trying to figure out shit to do, bro. You feel me? So for me, I'm a Gemini. I'm an only child, and I get bored fast. My syndrome is I got shiny object syndrome, bro. Like, oh fuck, damn, oh fuck, like nigga, like I guess some people say it's like ADHD, like, but I don't think it's ADHD. I never thought it was ADHD. You get what I'm saying? I'm high energy and I know what I want and I know where I'm going. So I'm chasing a bunch of dreams at once. I feel like, eventually we're all gonna die. So what are you gonna leave? What are you gonna do? Like, why don't you just do everything? Fuck it. Like, you get these crazy dreams, just do that shit, bro. Like, who fucking cares? You're gonna be 70 one day. Like, damn, man, I wanted to jump off that cliff and do that flip one day. That shit looked fun like everybody else. Nigga, you should have just did that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, because then you're not gonna be thinking about it. When I'm 70, I still want to be rocking, but I want to look back and be like, man, I lived a lot of life. Just laugh at some of the crazy shit I was doing, just throwing yourself in a situation. So you can live life from perspective of, okay, you're this physical being, but you notice you're this physical being, or you can be that soul and you can move through life as that energy, bro, and just throw the energy into stuff. When you start taking like the physical shit out of stuff, you're just gonna start throwing your energy in all type of shit, bro, and just letting it go. You know what I'm saying? But when you bring the physical shit in there, then you start, you know, being a fucking human, and then all the doubt creeps in, and then the thoughts creep in, and you start letting other shit stop you, man. You know, I'm not saying you, but I'm just saying in general, like, you know, that's what stops people from going from multiple things. You're like, you get this mindset of, oh, I just want to focus. You hear this thing, I'm gonna just focus on this one little, okay, that's cool. Like, you've been sharpening, you nice at sharpening the axe. That's dope, nigga. And that's the dope axe. But while you were sharpening the axe, I got the axe sharpened over here on this machine, while this is over here building on this thing. The motherfucking sprigging over here. Like, I was just building shit, just connecting. Motherfuckers, he good at the axe though, and I feel like that's dope. Because when I need the axe, hey, I'm gonna holler at you. But I'm a builder, man. I like building shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, that's my skill. I gotta know. It's like a house. If you wanted to build a house, well, if you're the contractor, you need to know what's going on in there. The plumbing, the pipes. How much is that shit even gonna cost? How much square footage? How are we like, you know what I'm saying? It's a bunch of little shit. So, you know, and then once you get used to building houses, it's just materials inside the house. You know how to build a house, bro. You know what I'm saying? You like, hey man, put the pipes right here. Boom. You can hire a plumber and tell the plumber what to do. Hey man, boom, I need you to wire this up right here. Put these right here. Hey, put a 2x. Like, you're there building the shit, but you know your shit because you know everybody's job. And I felt like, you know, I think my grandma told me, she was like, hey, you know, if you want to be a CEO of the company, you need to be able to go into the bathroom and fix the toilet or some shit like that. And like, I never really understood what she meant by that, but she was just basically saying like, hey, you know, shit, sometimes you can't sit there and wait for the motherfucking plumber, man. He taking forever. Oh, goddamn, my store's getting flooded.
Do the dirty work.
You gotta do the dirty work. You like, man, hold on, let me fix this shit real quick. Hey, and then you call the plumber. Look, I got this shit taped off right now. It's about to blow. It's about to blow.
No. I 100% get that because when I was a sergeant in the Marine Corps, it was you know, we all start from the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And then we have to learn all the other jobs, make sure that like the other people either they're doing it right, or sometimes we're trying to BS each other and we'll be like this. Oh yeah, we try to extend the amount of time it takes, and I'm like, nah, dude, like I was already,
because I already know.
Well, I was you. Like you can't do that. Like get to work, and they're like, all right, Sergeant. I'm like, all right, man. Nice try though. Like good try.
Shit. That's exactly what it is, though. You feel me? But just by knowing, you're able to catch those inconsistencies. You get what I'm saying? So that's basically what it is, man. I just, you know, I kind of look at life like that, like a big ass school. You know, I feel like as a man, we always got to be learning stuff because, like, and that's the problem with I feel like that's the problem with black households. First off, like, we're the men that's supposed to lead. So we should always be, you know, voracious readers, just trying to tap in. Like, you want to give your family the best opportunity. You get what I'm saying? So as a man in the lead, how do we get the best opportunity? You got to be knowledgeable. You know, like,
makes sense.
You get what I'm saying? We got to know something so we can be like, hey, well, I don't think, that's no, because why? Well, hey, it's a motherfucking pothole. That's why. You get what I'm saying? And if somebody want to go jump in it, by any means, you let them do that because you're a human. You can't control nobody else. But hey, this is all I control right here. But we can all say that's a pothole. We see the pothole. Man, Jimmy went and just drove right to. Well, look, bro.
Jimmy though.
Hey, you feel me? And we'll deal with it from there. But yeah, so that's what I feel, man. That's what I really feel. You know, like we're here to be leaders, and the only way that we can really lead is getting the game. Like, I don't know everything. You get what I'm saying? But since I don't, I like to read. I like to try to figure it out. I want to work through our problems. I want to problem solve, you know?
No, I feel that 100%. That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
Straight up. So that's what we'll be on.
Well, I appreciate it. I do, man.
Real talk.
Straight up, man.
Like I said, all the knowledge.
It's some real solid shit right here, bro. Like, I hope we can get it. one more time, or you know what I'm saying, maybe on a consistent basis or something.
Bro, Forex on Sundays, bro. This every Sunday, bro. Forex on Sundays. I'll tell you, I'm bringing it back. I want to expand what I'm doing. Like,
I'm gonna be on
I don't know.
more.
I was enjoying that shit. Like at first, I got bored because, like, bro, I get bored of shit fast. I just do. You feel me? So I got bored of it. I was doing so many other things, and it's like, damn, do I really feel like waking up? Hell no. I want to, like, I'm about to play fucking zombies. Like, that's what I was doing. Built my level up. I don't know what level I am, but I maxed out all my weapons on there. So that's what I was doing on Sundays. You feel me?
Nah, yeah, I'm the same way, man. I'm the exact same way. I used to be like, okay, let's do traders talks, and then have everybody talk. And usually my traders talks isn't even about trading. It's about like building assets to, like, you know, real estate and drop shipping, vending machines, laundry, like all that other stuff to get people out of trading. Because I realized I don't really like trading that much.
I don't think nobody really like trading that much. In the truth, it's really boring, bro. I mean, it's the most boring shit ever. But who's really gonna admit that?
Me. Yo, they'd be like, yo, Jay, yo, why don't you like? I'm like, bro, it's. You want to know my strategy? Bro.
Are you a day trader or scalper?
I sell when it's down. Like, I don't know what else to tell you, man.
Are you a day trader or like what are you?
Oh, day trader.
Okay, that's why it's probably boring. I feel like scalping, cause I scalp, that shit's like intense. I'm
good. Look. If I want an adrenaline rush, I'm about to go jump off a plane. Like, I'm good. Like, I've had my fun. My fun. Right? I'm good on that one. I like sleeping. Right? I'd be like, done.
They going
I'm
up
out.
in the chat.
I feel it.
Yeah. Like I'm good. But yeah, the scalping thing. If that works for you, keep doing what works for you. Right?
Right, that's what I tell people. Do what works for you. That shit work for me. I'm a scalper at heart, bro. I love that shit.
Yeah,
that shit like a video game.
I just
New York
open
push, that shit crazy.
Yeah, when I scalp, I'd be like this. Dang, yeah, I'd be like hit, and then when it missed, I'd be like this. Ah, shit. Okay.
Nah, you go look, and sometimes look, that's what it is. But what keep the account hot is like you gotta bust to that shit hot, nigga. So it's like boom, you smack 4 times, you're done, bro. You're done, bro. What do you mean? Hey, look, and niggas, bro, niggas be, I'm about to keep running this bitch. See, but that be the mindset. That's that greed. That's like, you feel me? But for me, what's dope about your chart is like let's say you made the bread one day, you come back the next day, if you make it in the morning, it don't reset to the next day. So I mean, your profit gonna double stack, bro. Like, man, come on, bro. This shit be simple, man. You know what I'm saying? But I like scalping at heart. I like running up accounts. That shit is my shit, bro. It's like, I guess it's the thrill and adrenaline rush. Because my favorite game in the arcade is this little stacker game. It's move to the it's like boom, you gotta stack that motherfucker. Yeah. So yeah,
it really is a sniper. It really is a sniper.
OG, let me ask you something, because
what's up?
The one that scalps, do you scalp during a certain window of time every day, or you just
same time New York Stock Exchange open, so it's 9:30 at my time.
That volume.
That's in peace. So I just cast a little push.
Okay.
Give like a 1-to-1 or maybe like a 1-to-2. And then I'm done.
I feel it. I thought it was just me. I ain't know if anybody else did it differently.
Friday I was scalping for the first time. That's when I made my real bro. I'm like, man, I'm gonna fucking scalp now.
Bro, that was a swing. You trying to scalp? That was a swing because that shit was.
I know we were going down on the US 30, so I was like, okay, so I'm gonna look at the wick, see where we be going, and I'll just hop in the trade.
But now some days you can try scalping, and if it's a really good entry, your stop loss will be valid for the whole day.
Yeah,
that's a fact.
So you get like crazy risk rewards.
Yeah,
okay. Just hold it. Yeah.
Yep.
Niggas said hold it. Like they on the ship or some shit. But look, y'all, I'm about to slide up out of here for the day. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody just tapping in and supporting the energy and shit for real. I do got this book about to drop. I do want the audience to come and join me and have a great time with me at this event. Like, it's not for me. Like, I'm not putting on the release because I want to have an event for myself. I'm really doing it for everybody else. So I want y'all to come and just see what I'm designing and making for y'all. You know what I'm saying? The least you could do if you fuck with me is just come check this shit out. All right, Ty, I bought a little ticket, $20, $30. I don't know what the fuck. I'm sure it's gonna be cheap though. $20, $30 come through. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be a really dope event. Like I said, it's gonna be in October. So yeah, it's gonna be dope. I just like I don't want to tell you what I have planned, but I just want you to show up and be like, oh shit, this nigga went crazy. Like, yeah, so we getting a nice it's gonna be yeah, I don't know if I want to do a building or if I want to do like land, like you get what I'm saying. So I'm leaning more towards land because you can do more shit on like a plot of land than you can like in an enclosed building. So yeah, especially so that's what all I gotta say, man. It's gonna be dope. Y'all just shut the fuck up, man.
Right.
I got
I'll see you next week, right?
I got one more last question for you, Ty, before you leave.
What's up?
When you're doing your scalping and stuff on your US 39s, gold, whatever, are you looking at like higher time frames? I saw you was on the day chart. Do you look anything beyond the day chart?
So I guess initially, like when I'm marking my shit up, I got a general direction of where the market's at. I always know, like in the back of my mind, where we're at on the game. So no matter what's going on, I'm like, hey, this was, this is where we're going, this is where we're at. You feel me? But as with scalping, bro, I'm just a 5-minute killer, bro. 5-minute, 1-minute killer. You know what I'm saying? I don't really give a fuck what's going on. I just wait, bro. Yeah, I'm sitting waiting. I'm just sitting waiting. You feel me? So once I get my breakout, I'm moving. You get what I mean? There's sometimes that the market, shit after open, the shit may slow down and then it's in consolidation for a cool minute. Then it's like, oh, we gotta wait. It's just sitting in this little consolidation. But I mean, I'm waiting for the consolidation. That's my favorite shit, the consolidation. Playing fucking Call of Duty. Well, Call of Duty be on this. Call of Duty be on this screen. The charts be right here, and I'm talking to my trading partner. I'm getting in. Boom, trading, nigga. What? US 30 doing what? They got shitty. Not ready yet. Bang, back to the game. Like, but let the charts be. Let them do what they got to do, and then boom, when it's moving, like, oh shit, hey, I'm about to sell. What? And then you know what I'm saying. So that's what. So I would definitely say, trading with somebody. Like at first I was solo dolo, you know what I'm saying? That's always been my game, just doing shit dolo. But trading with somebody is dope. So I would definitely say, like, find a friend. Like, make it fun for yourself. Like, this shit is boring. Make it fun for yourself, for real. Don't let people try to back you into a corner and force you to be, oh, you gotta be like this. No, you do not, bro. Like, I'm so out of the box. Fuck this box. You feel what I'm saying? So with y'all two had the same mentality and mindset, like, fuck the box. You know what I'm saying? Just be you, do you. You're gonna be more respected when you're just yourself than when you're trying to be like somebody else, because people can see that shit. Hey, like, man, you trying to be like so like you get what I'm saying? Like, ain't no respect in that. But if you come with your own ideas as a man, which men are supposed to do, bring their own. Hey, look, hey, man, this is how I like my grapes. Like, hey, man, that's dope. You like your grapes like that, bro? Look, but I was doing my grapes like this, like, man, like, hey, man, let me taste this shit, like, man, that shit. But we got our own shit to share, our own sauce, our own. That's all I'm saying. You get what I'm saying?
Facts.
And either you're gonna like it, pick some shit up, or be like, no, I don't really like that. You know what I mean? But that's how we grow, man. Straight up.
Appreciate that.
Straight up, man. But shit, y'all, man, appreciate y'all. And until next time, I'm going live every Friday and every Sunday. Friday, it's gonna be like, I don't know, it's only gonna be for like 30 minutes, like an hour. I'm just gonna be reacting to like the weekly shit, like, Snoop Dogg may have shit going on, just funny shit, like be on here smoking a blunt. I want to be entertaining two different crowds. I'm gonna have the entertainment crowd and then our finance shit. So it's two different things going on the channel, just so people ain't confused. They're like, hey man, but Friday is all that. So don't be on there like, hey, Nasdaq, nigga, fuck the Nasdaq, we going up, like, because I'm for sure going up, because I ain't trying to hear about it on Friday. But Sunday, hey, when you bring up Nasdaq, I got you straight up. Yeah, man. So Nasdaq, boom, we might even do a markup. You know what I'm saying? Man, yo, peace and blessings, y'all. Stay up, man. Enjoy y'all week. You know what I'm saying? Have a profitable week. Be grateful out here, be thankful. You know what I'm saying? And that's what's gonna get you far.
Absolutely.
For sure. All love, bro. I'm out.
Come on.
Peace.